Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Vlogging It channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of how to redeem GameStop gift card. So please watch the video till the very end to learn how you can do it. Now for that, first of all, you need to open a web browser, then open a new tab, and there on the search bar, you need to type in www.gamestop.com and press enter. Then you need to get signed in into your account first. Click on signing on the top right corner. Here type in the email address for your GameStop account. Then provide the password for the account and click on sign in. Now once you sign in order to redeem your gift card, you'll just need to enter the card or account number and pin on the payment page during the checkout process. For you to do so, let's go ahead and purchase product by clicking on it. Once you're done selecting your product, click on add to cart, and now here you click on view cart. Now here you can see I have added few more lists to the cart. Now under the order summary over here on the top, just below you will see the option of enter promo code. You click on the plus icon over here, then you will be able to enter the promo code in the box over here. You just type in the promo code in this box or the gift code in order to redeem it. Scratch off your pin code number from the back of your gift card and type it in this empty text box in here. Once you type in the promo code correctly, you just need to tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, you have successfully redeemed the GameStop gift card. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Vlogging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for notification and updates. Thank you.